Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GA4 series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. In today's lecture, we'll be discussing about why you need to switch to Google Analytics 4 as soon as possible. So without further ado, let's get started. So I have prepared a doc file regarding why you need to switch to Google Analytics 4 as soon as possible. So let's discuss about this talk. So I will share this doc file link in the video description so that you can study further about why you need to switch to Google Analytics 4 and why you need to do it as soon as possible. So first one is a quick recap. What is Google Analytics 4 and what is Universal Analytics? So Universal Analytics UA was founded on measuring insights from metadata and cookies. AdTech is moving towards a more responsible and transparent landscape, which means it will become less sustainable. Google Analytics 4 GA4 was developed with a focus on user privacy. It will provide a better digital experience for advertisers and audiences alike by collecting data of consenting users and staying resilient against evolving digital privacy laws. Google says Google Analytics 4 will deliver a stronger analytics experience, have the flexibility to measure different types of data, bridge the gap between your customer journey and from website to app, utilize Google's machine learning AI to provide insights on user behavior and conversions, be the future of web analytics. So do I need to switch to Google Analytics 4? So the answer is definitely yes. Google is retiring the older version of Google Analytics in July 2023. That means you will not be able to process data in your Universal Analytics from July 2023. So it is high time to convert your business to Google Analytics 4. So I have mentioned couple of differences between Universal Analytics and Google Analytics 4. So first one is data privacy. GA4 offers more robust data protection and privacy controls, which are becoming increasingly important for brands due to data privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA. Next one is cross-device tracking. GA4 provides more advanced cross-device tracking capabilities, website and app, allowing marketers better to understand the customer journey across multiple devices and touchpoints. Next difference is machine learning. GA4 includes built-in machine learning algorithms that automatically identify trends, generate insights, and provide recommendations. Next one is bounce rate. The definition of a bounce rate in GA4 is now if a user visits your website, reviews content on your homepage for less than 10 seconds, and then leaves without triggering any events or visiting any other pages or screens, you'll have the option to increase the conditions from 10 seconds to 30 seconds or 60 seconds. Next difference is goals. Goals will no longer be goals in GA4. It will be replaced by conversion events. It will still be how you track important actions on your website or mobile app to measure conversions. You'll be able to track a wider range of actions and get more granular insights into how people interact with your website or app. In the future, you can create custom conversion events to track certain actions that are important to your business. By doing so, you'll be able to understand the customer journey better and optimize for it. Next one is behavioral modeling. It will utilize machine learning and fill in the gaps if cookies or other identifiers aren't available in GA4's real-time reporting functions. Next one is custom channel grouping. You'll be able to custom select specific channels and compare their aggregated performance. And last one is direct integrations. GA4 syncs directly with Google Ads, so conversion actions will be tracked in the GA4 reporting dashboard for account and performance transparency. So you can see I have mentioned some of the features of Google Analytics 4. One of them is new data modeling. So next one is event-based user-centric dashboard plus exploration features. And most important one is, according to me, AI-powered features of insights and predictions. So we have three predictions available in our GA4. One is predictive probability. So this predicts the probability that a user who was active on your website in the last 28 days will purchase something in the next 7 days. So very important features of Google Analytics 4, you know. You can see over here, marketers can use predictive probability to identify which users are most likely to make a purchase in the next 7 days based on their behavior on the website. This information can be used to tailor paid campaigns to those users and encourage them to make a booking or purchase, like buying a ticket for an upcoming exhibit, you know. Next one is churn probability. This predicts the probability that a user who was active on your website with the last 7 days will not be active within the next 7 days, you know. So you can create an audience from your Google Analytics 4 audience section and create a remarketing audience, and you can exclude those audience in your Google Ads campaign, you know. So this is how data-driven marketing works. So you can see over here, for example, e-commerce brands can use churn probability to identify users who visited the site but didn't purchase, and run retargeting campaigns to capture the conversion through exclusive discount, etc. So that's what I told you. You can create remarketing audiences on the basis of those segments and run on those segmented audiences, you know. Next one is revenue prediction. So this is, according to me, the most unique features of Google Analytics 4. You can see over here, this predicts the expected revenue from all purchases made by users who are active in the last 28 days. In the next 28 days, attractions that offer online ticket sales can use revenue prediction to identify which users are most likely to make a purchase in the next 28 days, you know. So this is the most useful features of GA4 according to me. Next one is more visibility into customer life cycles and cross-platform tracking, you know. So what are the benefits of Google Analytics 4? Number one is improved accuracy. GA4 uses a machine learning based data model that provides more accurate and actionable insights. This helps businesses make data-driven decisions confidently, knowing that the data they are working with is accurate and up to date. Next one is enhanced data privacy. GA4 provides improved data privacy and security, giving businesses more control over their data and making it easier to comply with privacy regulations like GDPR. This helps businesses to protect their customers' data and maintain their trust, you know. Next benefit is enhanced cross-device tracking. GA4 provides enhanced device tracking capabilities, allowing businesses to get a more complete picture of their customers' online journey. This helps businesses to better understand their customers and make informed decisions about how to engage with them. Next one is more advanced e-commerce tracking. GA4 provides more advanced e-commerce tracking, making it easier for businesses to measure the success of their online sales efforts, you know. So what is the future of Google Analytics 4? You can see over here, the future of GA4 is promising, with a focus on continued innovation and improvement. Some of the new features and capabilities that are likely to be added in the coming years include advanced machine learning. GA4 already uses GA4 already uses machine learning to provide advanced tracking and reporting capabilities, but this is expected to become even more sophisticated in the future. For instance, GA4 might use machine learning algorithms to automatically identify the most valuable customer segments for your business and recommend targeted marketing strategies to reach them. So you can see what will happen if we get this feature from GA4, then our paid marketing will be boom, you know. Next one is improved cross-device tracking. Consumers often use multiple devices when researching and making purchase online. GA4 is expected to add more advanced cross-device tracking capabilities, allowing you to see how customers are interacting with your brands across all their devices, you know. Next one is increased data privacy and security. GA4 might introduce features that allow you to encrypt certain types of data or give customers more control over their data preferences. And next feature of GA4 might be enhanced e-commerce tracking. You can see over here, Google will continue to add more advanced e-commerce tracking capabilities, which will be particularly useful for businesses that sell products or services online, you know. And the next feature that we might get from GA4 is integration with other Google products. GA4 will continue to integrate with more Google products, which will help you to optimize your marketing efforts across all channels, from social media to paid search. So this is very useful doc. So I'm gonna share this doc file in the video description so that you can get we can get the idea on why you need to switch to Google Analytics 4 as soon as possible, because July month is coming, most probably 10 days away from today. So it is high time to convert your business into GA4. So I would highly request you, or I would highly suggest you to migrate your universal analytics to Google Analytics 4, you know, because GA4 is the next generation of analytics. Okay. So hopefully you have clear understanding on why we need to switch to Google Analytics 4 as soon as possible. Yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. And one additional thing, if you need any Google Analytics 4 services, or if you want to migrate your universal analytics property into Google Analytics 4, if you want to set up e-commerce tracking, GA4 e-commerce tracking, server-side tagging, web analytics, digital media buying like Google Ads, Facebook ads, you know. So if you need those kind of services, then you can contact with us. We have already provided all the necessary informations to contact with us, like our emails, WhatsApp number. You can comment us on the video description, you know. So yeah, if you need those services, you can contact us immediately, you know. Yeah. You have a good day. Bye bye.